built to commemorate the first HDB blocks that used to stand in the same place. Pinnacle at Duxton is one of a kind. You can own a piece of this iconic landmark in Singapore. One of the best ways to escape the dense feel of HDB projects is to stay on the top floor, where you can feel at the top of the world, isolated from the noise, where nature comes close to you. Enjoy dramatic skyline and sunset into the clouds from the comfort of your home. This premium 5-room HDB flat with a space of 1130 square feet has floor-to-ceiling windows which allow natural lighting. All the rooms have a view of the sea, and there's no afternoon sun. In this master bedroom, you can fit a king-size bed and a big wardrobe and still have plenty of space to walk. Sustainable gardening is feasible at the balcony of your master bedroom. Let your children study the life cycle of a plant. Rain or shine, you can exercise. On the 26th story is a sky terrace exclusive to residents. There's a jogging track, outdoor gym, children's playground, and 2 viewing decks. 50th story sky bridge offers a panoramic view of the city. This is supreme living in the city. Reside in the tallest of the tallest HDB in Singapore. Decide now to call me for an exclusive viewing. I'm Serene, OrangeTee and Thai, AAG.